Hello everyone, Bridget here. Today I'm just going to show you a very simple potato fry. It's nothing too complicated. It's very simple ingredients. You could have it with chapatis or with your dosas, or even as a side dish with rice and pepper water or dal and rice. So just keep watching and I'll take you through the very simple ingredients. So first of all, you would need like 3 potatoes that are boiled, peeled and just cut roughly into pieces, into cubes. Then you'd need 2 onions that are sliced, a few curry leaves, 1 or 2 green chillies depending on how pungent or spicy you want it to be. So just split it in half or just into slices, whichever way you like to have the chilies, and some chopped coriander. Then we have some whole cumin seeds, mustard seeds and turmeric powder. So these are the very simple ingredients that we're going to start cooking now. I've heated like 2 tablespoons of oil in this pan and I'm going to add in a mustard, about half a teaspoon of mustard. Now once this starts crackling, the oil has to be quite hot. You can just add in some whole cumin. Just let it fry for a little while. Let the mustard crackle. So our mustard is crackling. Now I'm going to add in sliced onions, then the curry leaves, and then the green chilies. Now we fry this all well together till the onions turn light brown. So let our onions fry till light brown. So now our onions are nice and light brown, they fried well. I'm going to add in just a pinch of turmeric, maybe like a quarter teaspoon, okay, and some salt. Okay, we just fried this for 2 minutes. And then we add in our potatoes. I'm just adding a little water just to incorporate everything well with the potatoes. Now let this simmer for a little while, maybe like 2 minutes till the water decreases, and then our potato fry will be ready. You can see that the water is reducing and the potato also giving out quite a bit of starch. Now I'm just going to add in our chopped coriander and mix it well. It's got a lovely fresh taste because of the coriander, and as I said, very simple and a very fast dish. We can now switch off because our potato fry is ready. And there you go, our simple potato fry is ready. You can eat it as a side dish with pepper and rice, or with dal and rice, or with chapatis or parathas, or even with bread, or with your dosas as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this potato fry. If you like this video, do like and share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.